everyone, we are here at my farm and I am having a hard time walking because I am bringing my stuff when I am going to record. So as you can see everyone, I'm going to set this up and I'm going to tell you how we record and what are the items that we use to record. Let's open this up. I am going to cover 4 songs. That's a lot, but I'm okay with that. And my hands are dirty because I was just painting. And my setup is ready for my covers. So everyone, this is a very simple setup. So you can copy it, because it's very simple if you want to make your own cover. So of course, I have my speaker to listen to the karaoke and my V8 to record my voice. And of course, a phone to record my video. I actually have 2 phones. One for the -1 and 2 is for recording the video and my voice. And of course, I need a microphone so my voice can be very clear. This is what I use for my tutorials. So the phone that I use for recording is attached to the V8, plugged to the V8, and the microphone that I use for recording is also plugged to the V8 because it records my voice. So V8s are very cheap nowadays. This is actually given. Thank you very much. So yes. So this is my V8 setup. My volume right over here is up to 9 and my echo is up to 3. The treble, the bass, and the record are all full. So I don't use music or monitor because when I record, it's only a cappella. It's only my voice. So there's no music. After the recording, my dad edits my voice and syncs it with music. So guys, I hope this video really helps for the beginners who want to start their own cover because it's really hard and this is just a very simple setup.